What's up everyone, Patrick here, and in today's video I'll be doing a brief highlight review video of the Panasonic Lumix S1H digital mirrorless camera. Now, because it is a mirrorless camera, it is on par with DSLRs. It's just an SLR camera, and this is definitely a professional grade or very high-end hobbyist camera. And the reason for that is not only the price point, but the features that it boasts. Not only does it have a strong, rugged design that's meant to be taken out into the field for photo and video work, but it's also got a 24.2 megapixel full frame sensor, which when you're dipping into professional work, you definitely want that full frame sensor to capture as much detail as possible. Now, touching on the video, it's capable of shooting 4K HDR video at up to 24 frames per second, as well as standard 1080p or full HD video at up to 120 frames per second, allowing you to do more slow-mo footage with that. Now, a big feature that plays into that video is stabilization. It boasts a 5-axis dual image stabilization built within the camera itself. So if you've got a lens that also has image stabilization, you're going to have incredibly stable, crisp shots. And on top of all of this, it's actually capable of shooting 6K video at 10 bits. Now, 6K is one of the newer things brought to the digital realm of cameras. So seeing this feature is just a sign of the times to come, where 6K will become more of the new standard and 4K will be included on everything. So the fact that this camera can already boast 4K and 6K this early on is a great sign of the technology and hardware inside. Now, of course, this was just a very brief feature review of the Panasonic Lumix S1H digital mirrorless camera, and I will post a link down in the description so you can check it out for yourself and do a little more research to get an idea if it's the right camera for you. So as always, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for other helpful review videos and other tech videos just like this one. And until next time, thanks for watching.